too tight. I used to have those other.
There. 2010. This your piece?
That's when I made it. Hold it, hold on. Just, okay, keep going.
Now, I don't know if it's going to try pulling on your thing. Sometimes you get these weird forces going.
That's what I'm feeling. I'm feeling the forces.
Are you feeling like it's going to pull back towards me or something? Or?
No.
Okay.
So it's just lifting the whole metal right
Yeah. It should start, I think it'll slip back. There we go. Sometimes these things walk back and settle out their own place. Okay. Now, is it gonna let go? There we go. Oh dear, dang it, I always hate this.
What's that?
God, sometimes you just don't get enough lift.
No, you've got 3 or 4 inches.
It might do it.
Yeah.
That's crazy. How are Dorby and Duncan doing? Everything pretty all right?
Yeah. There's a stone, there's a slab.
Okay. I'm just going to get this out of our situation for a second. I'm glad they got this done. You used to have to be up on a ladder 10 feet and use these come-alongs, which took away about 2 feet of your thing. So we'd always put 2 feet of extensions on these things. It's so much better now that they got it running. And the come-alongs scared you. They were just kind of like barely hanging on the tip. Much improved. Yeah, so it'd be perfect if we're just barely touching that metal upright bar. Like, yeah, because I like the Art City one took that bar out of there.
Yeah.
That was really nice. It was very good. And then you're gonna go a little more. Now you start coming down. You start pushing away. Yeah, we're good. It's doing good. Now you might have to stand on that thing again. You find that it might start lifting if you can. Okay. Whoops. Here we go. I'm starting to lift this way too. And I scare myself sometimes with the forces generated. You could start lifting this thing. Now, if we could pull the little